When working on your Meca application, there are a lot of data entries and selections that you will make which represent the situation you are analyzing. Naturally, you wouldn't want to re-enter all of this information each time you open the application. Fortunately, Meca software allows you to save these values for future use. On the menu bar, go to File and then Save As. When saving, you can choose the file name and where on your computer it should be saved. To create a file name, simply type it in here. You can name it anything that is convenient to you. To choose where you save your file at, you can navigate through this header and find a place most convenient for you. The file is now saved. If you go to File and then New, it will usually ask you if you would like to save. Since I just did, I will say no. If you wish to retrieve your previous file, click Open under the File menu. Then you will navigate to the location where you saved your file and click Open. Another alternative is to go to File, then go to Recent Files. It will show the last few projects you have saved, making it easier to find what you need. If your file is already opened and is currently named, you do not need to use Save As. You can just use Save and update your file. There is also a disk icon on the toolbar, and that is another way that you can save the current file. On the top header for the application, you can always see the current file name and path that you are working on, and if there is nothing shown here or contains a default name, then that is an indication that the file has not yet been saved.